Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a background image on Webflow. If you want to add a background image in Webflow, it's important to understand that background images are applied to elements, usually sections, div blocks, or containers, not inserted as standalone image elements. Let's begin. First, open your Webflow project and go into the designer. Decide which element you want the background image applied to. In most cases, this will be a section. If you don't already have one, add a section from the Add panel on the left side and drag it onto the canvas. With the section selected, go to the Style panel on the right-hand side. Scroll down until you see the Background section. Click the plus icon on the image and gradient to add a background. Then click on Choose Image. Upload your image file or select one from your assets library. Once selected, your image will appear as the background of that section. Now, this is where most beginners stop, but this is not enough. You need to control how the image behaves. Under Background Settings, adjust the position. You can set it to center, top, bottom, or custom positioning depending on your design. Next, adjust Size. Choose Cover if you want the image to fully cover the section without repeating. This is the most common setting for hero sections. Avoid leaving it at Auto unless you want the image to display at its natural dimensions. Once satisfied, publish your site to make the background image live. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.